Hi, this is Les Puryear, and today we're going to go over how to tune your guitar. You've seen my videos of covers for Hank Williams songs, and in order to play those, I have to have a guitar that's in tune. Now, how do you tune your guitar? Well, the way that you tune your guitar is up to these tuners right here. You see, if I turn this tuner up this way, it goes down. If I turn it up, see, it goes up. So that's how you turn the string in order to get the right note. So how do you do that? Well, let me show you one way. There's a device called the Snark. I'll just kind of give you a pretty good idea about what this looks like. And there's a little button here, and you mash the button and it turns on. And you can see that it's got some light on it. So what we do on this is we take the Snark and we clamp it on to the top end of the guitar. Now, through the vibrations, and you can adjust the display however you want so you can see it. Through the vibrations, it tells us what note that we're on. Now, let me just say this. The strings are in a certain order. The top string here is E, next one is A, next one is D, next one is G, next one is B, and the next one is E again. So that's a higher E. So, how do we know how to tune each string to the proper tone? Well, with the Snark, what we can do is that we can look at that and it will show us a display. Let me just kind of show you. I'm going to strike this E string and then it'll tell me what tone it's on. So take a look at the tone if you can see it. So it's telling me that that's a D sharp. But that's not what I want. I don't want a D sharp. I want an E. I look at my display and then I hit the string. Okay, that's D sharp. So I want to go up a bit. So whenever I go up, it turns to E. So now it's E, and let me show you how that looks. Okay, now on the E, if you can tell, it goes right straight up and down on a line. If it goes to the left of the line, it's not tight enough, and if it goes to the right of the line, it's too tight. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. All right, so we are going to take a look at that, and we're going to hit our E, and it needs just it's a little bit left of our top line, so we're going to turn it to where it's a little tighter. And so now I have an E that's a little too much, so I turn that back. So now I have an E, okay? So now we go on the next string. The next string is A. Okay, I've got that at A sharp. Okay, so after my adjusting, I got that to A. And so I'll do the rest of the strings, almost there. So now it's E. Okay, so I have used my Snark in order to tune each string to what it's supposed to be. This should be an E, this should be an A, this should be a D, this should be a G, this should be a B, and this should be an E, okay? All right, so we've done our tuning, and we can turn our Snark off and we can take it off. It's important that after you finish is you hit the button, because if you leave it on, it'll run the battery down. So let's see how it sounds now that we have tuned our guitar. Sounds pretty good, eh? Okay. So the Snark is a really good tool in order to tune your guitar. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can know where to get yours. In the next video, I'll show you how to manually tune your guitar if you don't have your Snark or another kind of tuning implement with you. See you then.